Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to claim free stocks on Robinhood. Alright, let's begin. Robinhood offers free stocks as a sign-up bonus for new users. To claim yours, go to robinhood.com, click Sign Up, and complete the registration process. You must provide personal details, verify your identity, and link a bank account to qualify. Once your account is approved, Robinhood will reward you with a free stock, which you can find in the Free Stock section of the app. You can either choose a stock or let Robinhood select one for you. The stock will be added to your portfolio, and after a holding period, you can either keep it or sell it. If you already have an account, you can also earn free stocks through Robinhood's referral program by inviting friends and family to sign up using your referral link. So that's basically how you can claim free stocks on Robinhood. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.